Welcome to the delightful world of Pakistani cuisine with our extended aloo qeema recipe. Aloo qeema, a comforting and popular dish in Pakistan, is a perfect blend of ground meat qeema and potatoes aloo, cooked in a richly spiced and savory gravy. Our culinary journey begins with the preparation of the qeema. We use ground beef or mutton for its rich flavor. The meat is cooked in a pot with finely chopped onions, ginger, and garlic, sautéed until golden. This base is essential for building the depth of flavor in the dish. Once the onions are caramelized, we add the ground meat, breaking it apart and frying until it's well browned. This browning process is crucial as it adds a depth of flavor to the meat. To the browned meat, we add a blend of aromatic spices, including red chili powder for heat, turmeric for its earthy flavor, coriander powder for a hint of citrus, and garam masala for warmth and complexity. These spices are gently cooked with the meat to release their flavors and aromas. Next, we introduce the star vegetable of the dish, potatoes. The potatoes are peeled, diced, and added to the pot. We also add chopped tomatoes at this stage. The tomatoes not only add acidity and sweetness to the dish, but also help in creating a thick gravy as they cook down. The mixture is then simmered, allowing the potatoes to cook until they are tender and the flavors meld together beautifully. During this simmering process, we occasionally add water to adjust the consistency of the gravy and to ensure the dish doesn't stick to the bottom of the pot. Once the potatoes are cooked and the gravy has reached the desired consistency, we finish the dish with a garnish of fresh cilantro and sliced green chilies. This garnish adds a burst of freshness and a slight kick to the aloo qeema, enhancing its flavors. Served with warm naan bread or steamed rice, Pakistani aloo qeema is a hearty and satisfying meal, perfect for family dinners. Its combination of simple ingredients and rich flavors makes it a beloved dish in Pakistani households. This extended Pakistani aloo qeema recipe is more than just a set of instructions. It's a journey through the heart of Pakistani home cooking. Whether you're an experienced chef or a home cook, this recipe will guide you to create a dish that's rich in tradition and flavor. Let's bring the authentic taste of Pakistani aloo qeema to your kitchen and enjoy a meal that's truly a comfort food classic.